So I have a really big problem with iPhone 6s. So I bought 3 already in the last 6 months. Well, luckily this one was free. So a few days ago, I decided to buy another one. So I paid $45 for this and it's in perfect condition with the original box. So it felt like a good deal. So now I'm going to unbox this since I'm kind of impatient. I guess I can also remove the iPhone 6s from here. If you haven't understood yet, I really can't open boxes without making a mess. Oh yes. Now I have some anti-stress for the next 3 months. And this appears to be the phone. Well, at least it appears to. I hope I didn't get scammed. And there we go. This is the iPhone 6 I was talking about. So it's the 2015 revision with the wallpaper here because the 2014 one was like white here. So let's see if I got scammed. It appears not. So it looks quite good. There's a giant scratch on the screen, but yes, just dust, I think. And the back is also looking pretty nice. And it's also turning on, which is a good sign. So in the box, we also have the original plastic film. This is something I really wanted. So I'm really happy I have it. But unfortunately, we don't have any Apple stickers, but it's okay, since I have like 1,000. So I've just went through the setup process and it appears to be working perfectly fine. The battery health is at 87%, so it's pretty good and it's the original battery. So hopefully I don't buy any other iPhone 6s in the future. And on that note, please like this video and subscribe, and have a great day.